Hello, Stellars! Welcome back sa Tarotala PH. And meron po tayo ngayong pick-a-card reading. So, ang pick-a-card reading po natin, it's entitled na May pag-asa ba sa inyo o wala na? May pag-asa pa ba sa inyo? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung sasabihin ng universe regarding your previous relationship or yung person na wala na kayong contact. So, ang basis natin dito, separated kayo or no contact at or meron kayong hidwaan or meron kayong parang quarrel in the recent weeks or recent months na hindi na kayo nag-uusap nitong person na iniisip mo in the context of love. So, mamili po kayo dito sa tatlong deck na nasa ating harapan ngayon. So, ang first deck natin is this one, second deck, and third deck. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung sasabihin ng universe. Pili lang po kayo dyan. Merong mga butterflies na nakalagay sa deck, sa ibabaw ng deck. Yung pile number 1, meron tayong pink butterfly. At pile number 2, meron tayong yellow butterfly. Pile number 3 naman, meron tayong blue butterfly. So, mamili po kayo. I'll give you a moment kung ano po yung sa tingin nyo makakapagbigay ng mensahe sa inyo patungkol sa inyong relationship with your person. Kung meron pa ba kayong pag-asa na magkabalikan or magkaayos ng itong person na ito. So, I will go first with the pile number 1. Hello, Stellar! So, nandito yung pile number 1. Ito yung pinili yung butterfly. So, pink butterfly po siya. As you can see, ayan po siya, pink butterfly. And let's set this aside muna. Tingnan natin kung ano yung sasabihin ng tarot regarding sa inyong person in mind. Let's see kung ano yung feelings and thoughts itong person na to sa inyo. We have Two of Cups. Okay, the Sun. Queen of Cups. Queen of Wands. The Fool. So, itong person na to, they truly, deeply love you. And I think ikaw yung sunshine nitong person na to. They are still passionate about you. Kasi meron tayong Two of Cups and the Sun. So, this is the basis ng kanilang feelings towards sa inyo. Very intense po ang the Sun energy. I think, nung time na nag-away kayo nito or nagkahiwalay kayo or hindi na kayo nag-uusap nitong person na to, whatever the context is, nakikita ko na mahal pa rin kayo nitong person na to because they have the Queen of Cups and Queen of Wands. So, nandun pa rin yung passion at nandun pa rin yung genuine affection nila sa inyo. And it's because the Queen of Cups is a symbol of loyalty, kindness, compassion, and empathy. And the Queen of Wands naman, it's a symbol of, parang it's a character of very creative person, very passionate, very warm, and very deep ang desire nitong person na to. They are still attracted to you, hindi nawawala yun. Very strong itong energy na to. It could be the person that a divine feminine, no? So, hindi naman to gender bias, pero baka divine feminine counterpart mo ito kung ikaw ay lalaki. Or, kung ikaw naman ay babae nanonood nito, your person have that energy towards you na hindi ka nila basta-basta bibitawan because they're willing to take a risk. They are willing to also start over again. Kasi the Fool is, it's the beginning of the tarot. Yan ang first card ng tarot. And that only means to say na they want to start all over again with you. At they're willing to compromise. I can see here that they're willing to compromise. Let's take some other cards pa. We have the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they are willing to rebuild this connection keep on dreaming about you. Nandito to. Four of Swords. Napapaniginipan ka nitong person na to. But they're not doing anything just yet. Parang inaantay nila yung perfect timing. Universe, please give us a message kung meron bang communication. Please give us a message kung may communication sila. Nag-iisip pa tong tao na to kung mag-reach out siya sa inyo. Page of Pentacles. May nag-iisipan pa niya. Medyo hindi pa siya, hindi pa siya buo yung iniisip niya, yung decision niya na makipag-communicate sa'yo. We have the Temperance. The Star. So, this person is healing from a heartbreak. Parang they are taking a pause or taking a break. But they're hoping na makipag-communicate ka first. Kasi parang hindi sila confident dito. Although they're really willing to rebuild the relationship. Willing talaga sila mag-rebuild ng relationship. Hindi pa sila makapag-decide dito. They're very undecided kung ano yung gagawin nila. If they will reach out or ikaw yung magre-reach out sa kanila, hindi nila alam. Okay. By the way, very short lang po itong tarot reading natin na to. We have signs. 11, meanings, repeated numbers, synchronicities. Kung may nakakita kang mga signs na 11-11 sa orasan, 12-12, 2-2, 2, 5-5-5, yung mga repetitive numbers. They're thinking about you. At watch out ka sa mga signs and synchronicities na same numbers because angelic numbers yun. Decision. Wrong reasons contemplating stay or leave uncertain. Sabi ko nga kanina, diba? They are still undecided. Kasi parang wala silang confidence dito na Page of Pentacles kasi wala silang confidence. If ikaw ba ay mag-reach out din, kung sakaling mag-reach out siya sa'yo, hindi sila sure secrets, love affair. Siguro yung isa sa mga factors dito, may love affair, may third party. Kaya kayo hindi nag-uusap ditong person na to. Isa yun siguro sa factors. We have only you. But they're really focused on you. Genuine love kasi yung the star energy at ito yung oracle card niya. Focus on just you, observing you, watching you. There's no one like you. Shattered, crushed, sadness, broken heart, panic attack. So yan, parang nagkaroon sila ng panic nung nawala ka, no? Take whatever that resonates with you guys. Kung nakaka-relate naman kayo dito sa energies na ating mga cards, ilipat ko lang siya dito kasi medyo hindi na siya nakakita. Kung nakaka-relate po kayo dito sa mga energies ng cards, just let me know. You can chat me sa Facebook page. Iba na po yung Facebook page ko, Tarot Tele Services na po. Huwag niyo na po kayong message sa Tarot Tele Official Facebook page kasi walang sasagot sa inyo doon. Naglipat na po ako ng Facebook page, and all my social media accounts are on the description box. I'm so easy to reach out po. Anyway, so they feel so shattered here, meaning to say they're very heartbroken kasi hindi na kayo magkasama nitong person na to, and they still want you in their lives, no? Ngayon, ang tanong dyan, kung ikaw ba ay willing din makipag-cooperate. We have direction, crossroads. So, pinag-iisipan itong person na to if they're going to stay or leave this behind. Kasi baka mag-move on na tong person na to pag hindi ka nag-reach out. Or no one sa inyo mag-reach out. But I'm telling you guys, sa nag-pick ng butterfly na pink, no? Sa mga nag-pick ng pile number 1, or yung deck na to ng bunny, I really think na wala silang kumpiyansa sa sarili nila mag-reach out sa inyo. Kasi baka sila din yung at fault dito kung bakit kayong hindi nag-uusap. Reconciliation. Yeah, gusto niyang i-rebuild. Like the Three of Pentacles kanina. Gusto niya talagang i-rebuild yung relationship niyo. So, this is a confirmation. They're willing to really rebuild the relationship. Pero, wala silang confidence. Okay. At hindi nila alam yung gagawin. They don't know where to go from here. No? Competition. Yeah, may other woman. No? Natapat pa talaga sa secrets eh. Ayan o. Competition, the secrets. May competition ito. Or other person, hindi lang other woman. Baka other man, di ba? Hindi natin alam. So, take whatever that resonates. Ito naman, safety, comfort. Kasi parang ikaw yung comfort itong person na to. They are very safe with you. They feel at home with you. Parang ganun. Parang you're part of their family. Yung family vibes, yung ganun. They feel the comfort around you. I don't know if yung pa rin yung feelings mo para sa kanila. Do they make you feel like you are safe with them? So, mag-isip ka lang din, no? Kasi baka you don't feel the same way anymore. Universe, please give us more. Okay. Spiritual awakening, realization. So, itong person na to, I have a feeling na they've been regretting yung nangyari sa inyo. Kasi may part siguro ng third party issue dito. Kaya merong other woman, may secrets, may competition, ayan. So, nakakita natin yan. Kasi very tong person na to eh. May pagka-immature din siya. Yung mag-give in siya sa mga temptation ng mabilis. Mabilis siyang mag-give in. Kahit hindi physical cheating, baka emotionally cheating. Parang ganon. Parang they feel something good about other people. Parang ganon. Now they are awakened. Kasi parang pinagsisisihan nila yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa, kung ano yung man yung factor ng third party issue dito. I think that's the factor. Kung ano man yung nangyari dyan, pinagsisisihan nila kasi they are really awakening or parang ngayon pa lang nila nare-realize yon. I can say na ngayon pa lang nila nare-realize, ngayon pa lang sila nagsisisi sa kanilang mga ginawa. So this is your reading, Stellars. I hope you like, subscribe to my channel, and if you need a personal reading, you can reach me out sa aking social media accounts. And see you next time. Love and light. Namaste. Hi, Stellars! So, ito po yung pile number 2. Ito po yung yellow butterfly na pinili nyo. Mukha siyang orange, pero mustard yellow po talaga siya. Yan po siya. If you can see in the camera, yan, sa screen nyo, guys. So, let's put this aside and let's see kung ano yung sasabihin ng universe regarding sa inyong previous relationship. Okay. By the way, di po ako nagre-read ng reverse. Dito sa reading na to, wala tayong reversals. So, let's see kung may pag-asa kayo nitong person na to or wala. We have 9 of Pentacles. Okay, very blossoming ang inyong career. I don't know, but I feel like you are very good na alone kayo. You're thriving. Oh, there is a betrayal na nangyari. Okay. How do they feel for you? Ano yung iniisip nila? What are their thoughts dito? We have the 3 of Cups. They want to stay connected sa inyo. Although, there's an ending dito na medyo very distressful ang ending nyong dalawa. We have the Moon. I think they're very inconsistent when it comes to you. Very secretive. Paano to pa-mysterious itong person na to? They have a tendency to keep secrets or giving you some half-truths lang, no? Itong person na to. We have the Knight of Pentacles. I don't think they're going to rekindle this relationship, but they want to stay friends, although parang may ganun pa rin siya lang factor dito. They want to be friends with you. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Absolutely. But I don't think this will resolve to, alam mo yun, like going back together. No, hindi. Parang they're just giving this as a chance to be friends, stay connected. Yung walang sama ng loob. Although, may sama talaga ng loob dito na nangyari. The Ten of Swords. Let's figure out kung ano to. Please give us more message, universe. Pile number 2. We have Judgment. Okay. Parang nagkakaroon sila ng learnings dito. Are they going to reconcile with you? Two of Pentacles, hindi pa nila sure kung magre-reconcile back sila sa inyo. They don't know if they want to stay friends or kasi wala akong nakikitang love. Wala pa. There's no sign of love here. Just genuine concern, genuine care. We have here 3 of Wands. They have other plans kasi. Yeah. And I don't think kasama ka sa plano itong person na to. Oo. We have Ace of Cups. Yeah. There's still feelings, pero they want to start something new with other person. I think may feelings pa rin sila sa inyo in a genuine sense. Yung parang genuine care lang. Yung parang hindi talaga in love. Yung ganon. Wala eh. Ace of Cups, I think this is an indication na baka they want to start something new with other person. Parang ganon. Hindi ka kasali dito. Kasi the 3 of Wands is looking away from you. Alam mo yun? Hindi sila looking back. Just everything is moving forward here. Moving forward, moving on. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. They might fall in love with someone else. Or they're starting to fall in love with someone else dito. We have the Page of Cups. Yes. Although they're looking at the possibility of a new love situation. Parang ito na yung focus nila, Ace of Cups. The Page of Cups is looking at this. So definitely, itong Page of Cups is about to take a chance dito. Although they're going to apologize to you sa kung ano man ang ginawa nila sa inyo, kasi we have a betrayal energy here with the Ten of Swords eh. There's a betrayal energy. Someone betrayed your trust or they betrayed your trust. Parang ganon. Okay, let's see. Give us a message, universe. What are the messages for pile number 2? Sa mga pumili ng yellow butterfly. Let's see. We have Max pretending. Hindi sila genuine na in love sa'yo. Parang ganon. They're just probably pretending that they are in love with you. We have call. Yeah, parang they just call you when they're bored. Yung nakikita ko dito. Parang kasing barkada yung tingin nila sa'yo eh. Yun ang nafe-feel ko dito sa energies na to. We have 2 threes. 3 of Cups and 3 of Wands. 6. Number 6 in your energy. So, definitely para siyang very friendly lang to eh. Baka fling lang ito sa inyo. Sa mga pumili ng pile number 2, nakikita ko na parang may fling lang kayo nitong person na to. Hindi talaga siya so deep in relationship, parang ganon. Parang situationship yung binigay nila sa inyo. Wala akong nakakitang foundational dito. We have here signs. Oh, yan. May mga signs ka din. May synchronicities ka, katulad ng pile number 1. So, watch out dun sa mga 22, 111, 1212 na pag tinitingnan nyo yung orasan, no? They have a very deep meaning, angelical meaning sa life nyo. Okay, only you. Parang kayong pile number 2 dito. But I think they make you feel this way that you're the only person for them, pero hindi talaga sila in love or something like that. Frozen, not speaking, Stonewall, not taking action. Okay, so natapat kasi itong oracle na ito dito sa Ace of Cups. I feel like they want to focus on someone else. May energy dito na parang they are turning back. They're turning their back away from you, parang ganon. Kasi parang they're turning their back from you. Hindi na sila focus sa inyo. Kasi ang focus nila dito is someone new. Ace of Cups. Look at that. The Page of Cups is looking at the Ace of Cups. And Frozen, not speaking, Stonewall, not taking action, sorry. See? Not taking action. So, itong person na to, wala siyang action dito sa inyo eh. May action siya sa ibang tao. Yep. So, I don't think na meron kayong pag-asa nitong person na to. But, let's see. Di pa naman tayo tapos. We have here, shapeshifter mimicking. Parang medyo fake lang itong person na to. Hindi talaga siya true and genuine eh. Magnetic attraction. So, parang fling lang talaga ito eh. Yung nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Hindi talaga siya deep and foundational. Parang laro lang or situationship sa kanila. Hindi siya true. Ayun no, call and hearing from them. So, parang when they feel bored, they just call you. Nakikipag-usap lang sila sa inyo kasi namimiss ka nila. Kasi parang barkada lang yung tingin nila sa'yo. Parang hindi talaga siya super deep. Palit-ulit lang ako na sinasabi. I'm sorry. Yeah, they're going to apologize to you. But they don't mean no harm. It's just that I think ano lang sila eh. Parang they just want companionship. They just want thrill sa buhay nila. Hindi talaga siya yung for marriage or long-term commitment. Parang hindi. I don't see this person is going there. Anxiety. May worry sila sa buhay nila. Okay. May worry sila sa buhay nila. I don't know what that is. Parang malakas yung anxiety nila when it comes to love life. Baka ayaw lang nila mag-isa. They don't want to be left out or left alone. Tas nadadamay ka sa kanila. Parang ganun yung nakakita ko. So, this is your reading, Stellar. Thank you so much, pile number 2. And if you need a personal reading, you can message me sa Facebook page or Instagram. Just check the social media accounts. My social media accounts is on the description box. So, I hope to see you there. Stellars, love and light. Namaste. Hi, Stellars. So, ito po ang pile number 3 at ito ang butterfly na pinili nyo. Yung blue butterfly. Okay, as you can see. Okay, let's set this aside and then let's see kung ano yung thoughts and feelings ng person nyo regarding kung may pag-asa pa ba sa inyo or wala na. So, let's see. Okay. Universe, please give us the message for pile number 3. Sa mga pumili ng blue butterfly, please give us the message. We have 5 of Pentacles. They feel so abandoned here. Malaki yung risk nila dito sa relationship nyo, ha? But they feel so left out, alone at the cold. Seven of Wands. Medyo mataas ang pride itong person na to. Parang pa-victim sila dito. Yun ang nakikita ko dito. Sila yung victim. Okay, sana nakakita nyo pa din yung cards. Medyo may pa-victim itong person na to eh. What is this? We have the Six of Wands. Okay. Six of Wands. Okay, we have the Five of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, Six of Wands. Ma-pride sila. Very ma-pride. I think I know what this means. But let me see kung ano pa yung sasabihin ng universe. Let me get 2 more cards for you. Oh, okay. What else? What else for pile number 2? Ace of Wands. Okay. Okay, so I can see here that your person, they feel so abandoned by you. Now, parang kahit sobrang taas yung pride nitong person na to, they're still willing to win you back. Kasi we have the Ace of Wands here. Ace of Wands and the Lovers. They have a very deep love for you. They feel na very well connected yung soul nyo. That's why they want to win you over. They want to tell you how they feel for you. Parang gusto nilang i-elaborate, i-demonstrate yung love na yon. Six of Wands and the Lovers. Even though meron pa rin silang ego dito, medyo may pa-victim energy sila, pero kahit pa-victim energy ito, they still love you. Parang meron silang pagtatampo dito with the Five of Pentacles and Seven of Wands. Pero hindi ka nila matitiis kasi they want to win you over. They want to win your heart. Kasi they have a very, very strong passion for you, Ace of Wands. You know, the Ace of Wands is actually a sex symbol sa tarot. Alam nyo na, guys. Okay, so let's see. What else do we have here for you? Pile number 3, universe. Please give us the message. Queen of Cups, Five of Wands. What's this? Oh yeah, you have Two of Cups. They have a very deep love for you and longing. Three of Cups. Three of Pentacles. Wow. Sa mga pumili ng pile number 3, yes, may pag-asa kayo nitong person na to because they have a very deep love and longing for you. We have the Three of Cups. This is longing of companionship. So, they long for your companionship kasi dahil you probably have an argument dito with the Five of Wands. Itong Five of Wands ito yung argument na sobrang, alam mo yun, parang sumabog, nag-explode. Parang, yung last conversation nyo led to a heartbreak and this person feel left out, but they still love you so much. With Queen of Cups, Two of Cups, and Three of Cups. Now, ito yung emotional energies ng person na yon para sa'yo. And we have the Three of Pentacles here. The Three of Pentacles is an energy of rebuilding. So, gusto nilang mag-reconcile back sa'yo very strongly ang energy na to. Three of Pentacles with the Three of Cups. Kasi they genuinely care for you. Very deep ang love nitong person na to kasi may have the Two of Cups and the Lovers as well. See? Those are the indication of real, genuine love. With the Queen of Cups, definitely. So, whoever this is, yes, siguro paplanuhin nila kung paano mag-reconcile sa makapag-reconcile sa inyo. As for the moment, nag-aantay sila dito ng perfect timing, nag-aantay sila ng perfect resources, at kung ano yung sasabihin nila with the Three of Pentacles, kasi they will connect with you again Yeah, they are going to fix this. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Three of Pentacles. Parang same kayo ng pile number 1 because we have a Three of Pentacles there as well. Kasi parang gusto nilang i-rebuild yung relationship or i-repair. Kasi parang may argument na matindi dito eh. Hindi naman total betrayal yung nangyari sa inyo, but there's a huge argument, disagreement. Yung parang kahit connected kayo nitong person na to, pero may iba kayong gustong mangyari. Five of Wands. Kaya may disagreement. Hindi kayo nagtatagpo dun sa agreement na yon. And the other person think of this and think of that, pero ikaw naman parang decided ka na, ganito, ganyan, ganyan. Parang ganon, yung nakakita ko dito. Okay, let's take a look at your oracle cards. Spirit guys, please give us the message for pile number 3. Sa mga pumili. Oops, parang may naligaw na card. Hold on a second. Parang merong naligaw na card na hindi naman dapat dito. Yeah, meron nga. Okay, so let's see again kung ano yung... Oh, we have escape, avoiding, blocking, pushing away, hiding. Patampararot pa tong person na to. Nag-avoid pa pero mahal ka nitong person na to, or someone is avoiding yung reconciliation. It could be you, but take whatever that resonates, no? Fired up. Ito yun. Biglang, kita nyo, biglang lumitaw yung fired up. Kasi ito yung Five of Wands. This is a very strong argument. It's an explosion. Parang nagkaroon ng volcanic eruption. Matindi yung argument nyo dito. Grabe yung away nyo. Sobrang grabe. Kung gaano ka-deep yung love nyo sa isa't isa, ganun ka-deep yung away nyo nitong person na to. Yun yung nakikita ko. Kasi may Five of Wands eh. And it's confirmed by the oracle cards natin. Okay, universe, please give us more message for pile number 3. Okay, we have here clown. Parang degrading appearances, shame, humiliation. Nabubula ako. Humiliation. Someone humiliated? Got humiliated in this argument? Parang may napahiya? May napahiya dito sa away nyo? Heartstrings. Okay, sorry. Stringing along, get pregnant, entrapment, playing with feelings. Someone is playing with feelings. Okay, what else? Anything that is connected? Here, universe. Terms. Working out, begging, negotiating. Yeah, this person will negotiate with you. They will try to reach out to you, work things out with you. Very strongly, like I mentioned. At natapat pa siya sa Three of Pentacles. See? Very evidential. Okay, so let's see. Ano pa yung sasabihin ng universe regarding this? Kasi parang itong person na to, there's an argument that very specific pala ito, no? Itong pile number 3 for certain viewers. Okay, kung ikaw nanonood nito, very timeless reading po ito. So, kung ano man yung sinasabi ko dito, it can resonate with you or not. So, it depends on you. What was this? Hold on. Toxicity. May toxic energy sa inyo. Karmic relationship. Addiction. There's some kind of an addiction here. Unhealthy attachment. Maybe addiction is one factor here kung bakit kayo nag-argue. Yeah. Because the other person really genuinely love the other person. Alam mo yon. There's a genuine love and affection here, pero parang I feel na parang ano to eh, na taken for granted siya. Ang gusto lang naman niya is mawala yung addiction or something like that. We have hurting. Someone really got hurt here. I think both of you got hurt. Peace. Someone wants peace dito sa relationship na to. You both wants peace here. You both want to have peace here. Single parent. Okay. You may feel like baka maging single parent. Parang may fear ka na ganun. Kung you have kids together, no? Ayaw maging single parent, or parang they refuse to be a single parent here. That's why they want to reconcile back. Parang ganun nakikita ko dito. Alright, universe, this is your reading. Thank you so much for coming here. And if you need the personal reading, you can reach out to me via Facebook page ko, or Instagram. Okay, if you're outside the Philippines, you can reach out to me sa Etsy store ko. Okay, all my social media accounts is on the description box. So all you have to do is to message me para sa mga personal readings. And thank you so much for watching this video. Love and light. Namaste.